Get ready for a breathtaking journey, with massive bulldozers witnessing their power as they conquer challenges at sea and on land, from hauling immense loads through giant ocean waves to navigating treacherous mountain roads and icy terrains. Only advanced technology can conquer these obstacles. The pinnacle of heavy transport, moving the massive Liebherr 97 for excavator, larger than a T-Rex, was no small feat. The mighty Gold Hofer hydraulic trailer and the powerhouse Mantigi X40 1.680 handled this colossal machine with remarkable ease. Watching it glide through narrow underpasses with mere inches to spare was absolutely jaw-dropping. From steep slopes to low-clearance bridges, every step of the 10-hour journey presented a new challenge. Yet the seamless collaboration between these powerful machines and the skilled facilities, Heavy Transport's team turned this complex operation into a masterpiece of engineering brilliance. Hats off to them for setting the gold standard in heavy transport. Incredible scenes that give you chills. A cargo ship carrying an astonishing load of over 30,000 logs battles through a ferocious storm near the Coral Islands. The ship's massive structure feels dwarfed by waves that seem to rise like mountains, yet the crew remains steadfast. The sheer weight of the cargo, combined with the relentless forces of nature, showcases the true essence of heavy transport operations at sea. The crew's skill and determination, managing the ship without a single log slipping, is extraordinary. Congratulate the courageous who conquer the ocean. Look at that beast! Bulldozer is using its sheer weight to crush a truck. Talk about power on display. The JD1050J isn't just for moving dirt. It levels anything in its path. It crushed small trucks like pickups with ease. Whether it's taking on huge construction projects or compacting trash at a landfill, this is heavy transport on a whole new level. Transporting a massive telescope component to Kitt Peak at 6,857 feet is nothing short of extraordinary. The narrow, winding roads hug the cliffs with every curve, daring the team to push their limits. Combine that with sudden weather swings, from blazing heat to icy snow, and the difficulty skyrockets, leaving a colossal piece of telescope equipment to one of America's highest observatories. They've achieved the impossible. It's proof that no challenge is too great for ingenuity and determination. Facing challenge. Moving a 200-ton reclaimer along Royal Hill Road is a real battle. The road is a dirt track with sharp turns and barely wide enough for two trucks to pass. At 40 kilometers per hour, each turn becomes more intense than ever. There's no room for mistakes. Everything relies on the steady hand of the driver, and the engine's power, it's just mind-blowing. Wow, TT! Dash for once again showcases its legendary power. This Soviet-era beast is flexing its muscles, pulling the log truck out of the mud. The smoke and sounds create such an intense atmosphere. It feels like a battle out there. What an amazing sight. Energy Transportation Inc. tackled the daunting task of hauling a 250,000-pound crude vessel from Salt Lake City to Casper in just 3 days. This operation required meticulous planning, involving around 100 man-hours for route surveys, utility company coordination, and engineering diagrams. By carefully navigating under 1,200 power lines and utilizing their Kenworth C500 tri-drive trucks with Trail King dollies, the team ensured a smooth journey. Every twist and turn on the road tests Gary's nerves, but his ability to control that massive storage tank proves he's in a league of his own. Leaving Summerscale's Emmingham Depot, escorted with that 4.92 meters wide storage tank. The sheer width of this load makes each maneuver a precise challenge. Navigating past obstacles without a scratch requires a level of skill that's nothing short of impressive. Don't blink, this is heavy-duty logistics at its finest. Experience the future of recycling with VT and scrap shear. See I-7000, this machine is shredding bulldozers. In a recycling plant, the hydraulic force is insane, cutting through steel like it's cardboard. For machinery fans, it's tough to see such destruction. But hey, when machines can't be repaired, they have to go. Upgrades are essential. Can't take my eyes off this colossal steel. For massive tanks spanning 17 meters in length and 5.2 meters in diameter, embarked on a monumental journey from Durban's port, destined for their esteemed client. What an ambitious project! To relocate that bridge in Dublin using the Interpack box jacking system, they ran into some challenges with structural weaknesses. But after some serious brainstorming, they nailed down a new transport strategy. The 790-ton bridge was smoothly maneuvered onto the shore with a row operation and 6 sturdy JS-50 legs, using to X-10 SPMTS and wagon board trailers. The new bridge is all set to widen the canal and boost local capacity. Impressive work all around. Volvo's rugged power and Scania's unstoppable V8 dominate southern Chile's wild terrain. Fully loaded with massive logs, these trucks tackle steep, muddy slopes with ease. Their suspension and axles handle the strain like champions, while the raw strength here is unmatched. True heroes of the forest. Alright folks, let's hit pause on those clear highways and dive into something a bit more intense. Snow-covered roads. Trying to transport a colossal 224-ton debarking drum, stretching 35 meters long, 6 meters wide and 7.5 meters high. with both the roads and seas frozen solid. This wasn't just a simple move. It was a battle against nature. The blend of road and sea transport came into play, and the pressure was on to execute every step flawlessly. Brace yourself for an engineering marvel. J. Superson tackled an oversized turbine in Canton, Connecticut by engineering a temporary steel bridge that bridged more than just a stream. It bridged the gap between the impossible and the achievable. The trailer, one of the largest ever seen, showcased exceptional engineering capabilities. This operation highlights the expertise required for such complex, heavy equipment transport. Welcome to Texas, the stage for the 200,000 Elliott compressors. Impressive trek. Get ready for a front row seat to witness power, precision, and pure engineering marvel. Massive transport operation to colossal 145 metric ton pieces were expertly maneuvered on turntables. From Spitov to Schiedam via Mlinik port. The pre-cargo journey to Mieng took 3 days for each piece, and a single port crane handled the transshipment. Their combined dimensions reached an astounding 61.00 by 4.50 by 5.20 meters, weighing in at a staggering 250.5 metric tons. How incredible is that? The Scania R620 truck battling the rain, navigating the narrow streets of Valpolar, Sandrio and powering up slippery mountain roads. The Komatsu BC 600 excavator sits atop this mighty semi-trailer, challenging gravity itself. On the steep climbs, Tio, a high-altitude construction site. Its transport, reimagined as a thrilling feat of strength and ingenuity. Look at that barge. It's packed with trucks carrying huge wooden logs, all set to cross the water. One truck is already on board, while another is making its way up the ramp. It's amazing how much this barge can carry. Who would have thought it could handle so many trucks? In such a beautiful setting.
Ciao, ça va et toi? Ouais, je voulais filmer un peu l'ensemble et la manœuvre. Tu es le machin.
This is heavy hauling at its finest. A colossal sig transformer embarks on a nerve-wracking journey. From Versvoort to Verboer, guided by a powerful heavy-duty truck, towing an extraordinary oversized trailer, it navigates the bustling, narrow streets of a crowded residential area. Every turn demands absolute precision. No room for error, no margin for collision. This is transport at its most intense, where power meets perfection. In a groundbreaking move, precision heavy haul uses a specially designed Calvin Siebert heavy haul trailer to transport a gigantic satellite dish from New Mexico to the University of Arizona. This innovative approach redefines heavy hauling. Whoa, that turbine is huge. The way that turbine inches up the slope is nerve-wracking but so impressive. These drivers are on another level. That's a monster convoy. 3 giant 64-meter-long trucks, each weighing 350 tons, navigate roundabouts and tight corners with ease on their way to the Boudin gas facility in Albienne, France. These behemoths warping everything in their path are a testament to the incredible engineering and logistical feats required to transport such massive structures. Experience the adrenaline rush of oversized transport as they tackle the treacherous roads to Hockyak. Transporting a 48-ton Teufelberger cable to 1950 meters is no easy task. That's not just a cable, it's a mountain climbing beast. Spiegel Transport and their team of pros really showed how it's done. Can't wait to see what they tackle next. Anyone else in Elk River? Witness that massive beam move by the Lever and Sons. The Lever and Sons recently moved Cretex's biggest beam ever, a 183-foot-long, 226,000-pound behemoth. That's some serious engineering and driving right there. Props to the team for handling such a colossal load. With Perfect, if you're looking for expert heavy haul transportation, look no further. What a masterclass in heavy transport! Fidarisi's exceptional convoy, at 68 meters and 4.3 meters wide, showcases the artistry of logistics. The skill involved in maneuvering a 349.8-ton load is nothing short of remarkable. It's a massive undertaking that requires teamwork and precision, and this footage captures the Granger perfectly. In this stunning footage, watching Patrick Beekmans operate the gleaming Volvo FH167 50 while transporting the massive Leaf R9. 7 for excavator on the new Boot 3-axle low loader is exhilarating. The way they navigate through diverse environments, from flat stretches to sharp bends, highlights the meticulous planning and skill required. In this industry, Skoons truly sets the bar high for oversized transport, proving that expertise and dedication lead to successful heavy-duty operations. Mind-blowing that excavator operator is a magician. Watching that machine gracefully hop off the truck without a ramp is pure skill. Looks like he's been playing with toy. Construction vehicles his whole life. disassembled Cat 79 3D dump trucks, each capable of hauling 232 tons, are being transported by Centurion Transport on Barclay Highway. The oversized load warnings seem almost understated. Given the sheer scale,